What's up, people? Today we're going to be talking about the Microsoft Surface Duo right after this. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. Alright, so it's been a little bit over a week since I last posted a video. I'm actually in the process of shooting a DIY home arcade system build. So that video is taking a little bit longer than expected. So in the meantime, I thought I would show y'all my new favorite piece of tech. And here it is. The Microsoft Duo. It's a one-of-a-kind device. One of my coworkers at work had this and I said I definitely got to try it out. So pretty much it's made by Microsoft, but it is running Android, and it's a dual screen phone. So unlike a lot of the other dual screen phones, this one does not have a folding display. As you can see, there's actually two separate screens. So you can use it in this mode, which is just like the two screens side by side. You can flip it to where you have a screen on both sides, and this is how you can use it as a phone. Then you have your tent mode, which is something like, so let's say you're watching a YouTube video. Let's see if you can see that. That's just coming this way. You can put it in tent mode like that, watch your content that way. It's pretty cool. Then you also have your, I guess this would be like a laptop mode. But what's cool about this is, while you're doing that here, you can have another app running on the bottom. So let's say I'm watching YouTube and I want to go to, let's say I want to go to scroll through Instagram. So I could still be watching my video at the top. Let me hit play on that. I know it's still playing. So I could still be watching my video at the top and scrolling through YouTube. So like I said, scrolling through Instagram. So that in itself is cool. So let's go around the device. Now this device is normally white with a white bumper. It comes white with a white bumper. There's a million different screen protectors, cases and stuff on Amazon. But this black that you see here is just actually a skin. So it's just a black skin with this rubber bumper, and this rubber bumper is optional, but if you don't want to lose your device by dropping it, I would suggest you have this on there. This device is made of all glass, so the front, of course, is the screen is glass, and the back without the skin on it is glass. So this definitely is not something that you want to drop. I actually caught this on sale. The normal price for this is $1,500, but right now it's on sale on Amazon and Best Buy for $450 off. So I got this for about $1,000. So, and that's unlocked. So, like I said, it has just this one USB Type-C port here on the bottom. You have your fingerprint reader here on the side. It's very fast on the fingerprint readers and unlocks instantly. Let me show you how that works. So I'll just touch it and it opens right up. Then you have your power button. You probably can't see it because I have this rubber on, but just trust me when I say there's a power button here. Then you got your volume rockers right here, and right here there's another little slot where you can take out the SIM card. That's all covered up with this piece of rubber. So let me just show you a little bit of the stuff that's unique to this phone over any other Android phone. So I showed you how you can run two programs at the same time, but what I didn't show you is there's a way you can set it up by hitting one button. You can automatically launch two apps. I didn't actually set up any myself, but I'm gonna show you some of the ones that was already pre-installed on the phone. So there's one here that has YouTube and a news app. So let's say you wanna watch YouTube while you're scrolling through the news. Just hit that one app and it'll open up YouTube and your news app on the side. So you can set that up to whatever apps you want to use it with. I'm gonna try to set one up real quick. I haven't done this yet. So let's say I want to do one with like YouTube and Instagram. So I believe what you do is you press and hold and you slide up. Okay, so you press and hold, hit groups, and then you want to find your second app, and that's going to be Instagram. Hit done, hit OK. So then now I have a new icon on my screen, which is showing the new group. I should have named it. I didn't know it. I didn't name it. I should have named it, but it just says new app group. You can name these, of course, but I hit that app and it'll automatically launch YouTube and Instagram. So the options are pretty much limitless. Like I said, I didn't want to make this video too long. Just want to show y'all this. If you have any other questions about this device, like I said, this is my new favorite piece of tech right here. I also grabbed this case off of Amazon out of box. So like I said, it's not a device you want to drop, so pretty cool. So now if you're looking for this in the store, this is what the box looks like. I didn't do an unboxing for this. I was so excited to use it when I got it. I didn't have time to record a video for it. But this is pretty much what comes in the box. This is where the actual white rubber bumper came in. So this is the white bumper that it came with. I could see it was attracting a lot of dirt the first day I put it on, so I eventually switched over to this red one. But that's the rubber. And the only thing else that comes in the box is the actual device and your charging cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Alright, so I want to thank y'all for watching this quick video. Like I said, stay tuned. I will be dropping a DIY home arcade build video in a few days. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so when I upload that video, you'll be the first to see it. So until then, I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching.